Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet problem. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Google Meet. When you find this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.